Hello guys, so I just want to show you something. Okay, so this is not connecting to a Wi-Fi. There's two that I'm connecting to right now, but it's showing they can provide internet, so remember that. So here's Google. Let's refresh. So it's saying no internet access, so whatever I press, it's not going to load. Okay, so let's try YouTube. Maybe it's working. It's not working. Let's try Messenger. It's not working. Okay, so everything, it's not working. Okay, let's try Facebook. Maybe it's joking. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. Facebook is working, Google is not. Maybe let's try other apps. Maybe TikTok. Remember, TikTok is banned in US. Okay, it's working. So if you're saying, honey, it should not be working. Okay, or maybe it's just downloaded earlier. So let's do this. Let's refresh.
Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5
so let's refresh again. So we're not saving this. This is not a screenshot. See, it's working. But take a look at this. It's still saying it can't provide internet. So for some reason, this piece of shit phone is choosing what kind of app I can use, because I can't use Messenger. I can't use Messenger. Whatever I do, I can use Messenger. I can use Messenger, but I can't use the other apps like Google, YouTube, anything that's